Hi, I'm Renee Tucci, and this is another companion video to go with Framing Floral Techniques. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to tape your bouquets together so that they stay put. Okay, I just finished completing this beautiful, vibrant bouquet, but I need the stems to stay where I want them. So I'm going to use floral tape for that. Floral tape comes in two different sizes, the 1/2 inch width and the 1 inch width. I'm going to use the 1 inch, it's better for bigger jobs. The 1/2 inch is appropriate for corsages and boutonnieres and smaller pieces. So the trick with the floral tape is that the more you pull it, the stickier it gets, the tackier it gets, and then it sticks to itself. So what you want to do is I start almost at the top of my, whatever it is I'm taping, hold the tape in place, and then I start spinning the bouquet. I'm not moving the tape around the bouquet, I'm spinning the bouquet itself. So I started a little low, I'm going to go up the handle of the bouquet until I get to the top, and then I'm going to come back down. Be careful because you can pull the tape so much that it actually rips. So if that happens, just go over it again and create a fresh layer. But you do want to pull the tape so that it gets taut and tacky, and then the next layer that goes around it will stick to it. Okay, so now I have a nice clean band of floral tape, and I'm going to pull it so that it gets really tight and tacky and stick it down to the middle area and then pull it until it tears. That's really going to hold it in place. So now everything stays exactly where I want it, and this spiral bouquet will stand in place for me. There we go, we got it. Okay, I hope you've learned a tip or technique and that you go out and create.